Welcome back. This is part 5 of the notes for Chapter 5, Section 6. We were just talking about the cubic we got after we found one factor. Has a shorter list of possible zeros, and that 1/4 works. Now again, once you figure out a number that works, you still do need to do synthetic division to figure out how it factors out. So if we do some synthetic division over here on the side, we get 4 times 1/4 is 1. -5 plus 1 is -4 times 1/4 is -1. That's -4 times 1/4 is -1. 0. Again, this 0 confirms that it worked, so happiness. So it yields the quotient 4x squared minus 4x minus 4. Factoring out of 4 yields, here's the trick. They refer to f of x, the original polynomial. So we're talking about 2x plus 3, that's the first factor. Then we take a 4 out of that, 4x squared minus 4x minus 4. So we can make the second one look kind of nice. It becomes 4x minus 1, and then left over is x squared minus x minus 1. So we need to solve finding the remaining zeros by solving x squared minus x minus 1. The numbers are small, so it should not take very long to figure out that it just simply does not factor nicely. Pretty much, you need to use the quadratic formula. Now this is nice because you could factor it, or if you're not feeling factor smart at the moment, you can use the quadratic formula. So x equals the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we're talking about 1 plus or minus root 5 over 2. The fact that it came out as an irrational number confirms that it just simply was not going to factor nicely anyway. So the real zeros are, and here we have our answers. We have our answer of -3/2. That was the one the book sort of steered us towards. 1/4. And then the ones from the quadratic formula. 1 plus root 5 over 2 and 1 minus root 5 over 2. Alright. 4 zeros. The polynomial was originally 4th degree. Hopefully that gives you some kind of satisfaction. This is much more powerful than we had with quadratics. I will meet you in another set of notes, and we will tackle example 3.